I came here to express my, my feelings, my friendship, my country's friendship. I came here with a message from my Prime Minister, with a message from my President, to the Governor, to extend all possible support that Pakistan can do for Sri Lanka. And we discussed quite a number of things related to trade, related to support, related to various fields that this province needs. We also discussed about the educational scholarships for the Sri Lankan boys and girls here also, and for studying in the Pakistani universities also. We also discussed about the potential of tourism between our two countries. When we talked of tourism, we talked of the religious tourism also, because you must know, all of you, that Sri Lanka, Pakistan is the second most sacred destination for the Buddhist, religion, Buddhist civilization. So there's a lot of potential in that. We are also discussing, and we are also talking about a lot of bilateral trade, because we have a Sri Lanka-Pakistan free trade agreement, and we need to make the best use of that. Uh, Sri Lanka and Pakistan are time-tested friends. In every field, at every time, in difficulties, both these countries have helped each other. So where Pakistan helped Sri Lanka in quite a number of ways and a number of timings, Sri Lanka helped Pakistan as well in a number of timings. Like you talked of the cricket diplomacy, the Sri Lankan team came to Pakistan when nobody else was coming to Pakistan. So, and Pakistan cricket came back to Pakistan because of the Sri Lankans' efforts. So it requires tremendous amount of courage on the part of the Sri Lankan leadership and the part of the Sri Lankan team to decide to come to our country at a time when other countries were not coming. So we see this thing, with a lot of respect, for the people of Sri Lanka and for the government of Sri Lanka. So I extend my best wishes, my full support, my country's full support, my High Commission's full support to the government of Sri Lanka, to the people of Sri Lanka, and that is what we will do every time, every step that we take. We are constantly in touch with the government, with the leadership of Sri Lanka, both in Colombo as well as in the provinces, and along with their consultation, we will do our best to bring a positive change in the lives of our Sri Lankan brothers and sisters and our children who need whatever support that Pakistan can extend. So this was basically the purpose of my visit. So I came here. Now I go to Batikulwa, from here, and subsequently I'll be going to the other provinces as well, and meeting the governors and the government officials. And in Jaffna, as I said, I was able to present a couple of cricket kits, and also some school bags and stationery for the boys and girls, deserving boys and girls who the principal would like to present it to them. So I presented those to the principal yesterday. So this was the overall purpose of this visit.